Hi, today we are making a crispy McCain Smiles in the Philips Air Fryer NA231. First, preheat the air fryer at 180 for 3 minutes. Then pull out the air fryer basket. Lightly brush oil on the inner surface of the basket. Then place Smiles in the basket. Then lightly brush oils on the Smiles. Then place the basket back into the air fryer. Then tap on the power button on the touch screen. Then tap on this temperature button over here. Then adjust temperature, set it to 180. Then tap on this timer button, adjust timer to 10 minutes. Then start, tap on the start button, say please wait. Turn on interior light so you can watch Smiles cook through the transparent window. Okay, 10 minutes is over, let me check. See, crispy golden McCain Smiles are ready. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.